Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use WhatsApp Business on a laptop. So first is you have to open your WhatsApp application on your device. So make sure to download it on your Microsoft Store. And then once you're here, just have to click on the Get Started option. So this one. Now, to set up the WhatsApp on your computer, you have to open WhatsApp on your phone, then tap menu and Android settings on your phone, and then log in with your device, and then you just have to scan this QR code, or you can link with phone number. All right, here just have to select your country, and then you just have to type out your phone number after selecting your country. So for example, Philippines, you just have to type out your phone number right here, and then just have to click on next. So let me just click on next right here, and then just have to enter the code in your phone, so linking WhatsApp account. So you just have to make sure that your phone number is correct, so you'd be able to see or to receive the code. So you just have to type out right here on this boxes. Or you also have the choice to link with the QR code to set up WhatsApp on your computer using the QR code. So you just have to open WhatsApp on your phone and then go to the menu icon and then make sure to scan this one, and you'd be redirected to your WhatsApp business account. So once everything is fine, you can also link to the phone number and click on. Now we're going to set up an auto reply and how to generate a profile link. So just open your WhatsApp business application, and then right here in the tools section, you just have to scroll down and then make sure to click on the tools right here under the messaging. You've got greeting message, away message. So let's go ahead and set up the greeting message first. So you can send greeting message, so greet your customers when they message you the first time or after 14 days of no activities. You just have to toggle the switch on, and then just have to set up your message right here. Now let's go to the away message. So you can send away message. So make sure to toggle the switch on, and then just have to type out right here your away message. And you can also schedule that away message as well. So for your recipient, you can go ahead and click on everyone, and you have to set up the quick replies as well. And then once you're done, we are now going to go to the labels and then labels your customer. So now we are going to generate a profile link. So just click on the three dots and then click on settings. So right here, you will then just have to scroll down and then click on invite a contact and then click on share link, and then just copy your link and just have to send that link to your contacts. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.